You know what? Let me straighten out.
Okay. It's weird. Oh, they're coming.
Oh, I know.
Those are all birds. I don't know, I'm scared. I don't want to go. What if they like attack us?
I parked opposite.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's because you know what? All this weird shit.
It's because it's like, oh my god, that scared me.
That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Okay, let's remember what we parked.
Right here, in front of the JCPenney's.
Remember that red box?
Okay, I'm scared. I'm like recording.
I don't want them to come down.
What if they come down? Oh my god, they're like going in the same thing. Oh god, look at me.
It's like the movie Birds.
Do you know?
Movie? It's like a super old movie.
Look at, look at, look.
Like everybody's tripping out on it.
It's weird.
Yeah. It is weird. I know, everybody's looking at it. Yeah, no,
everybody's out there watching it.
Did you record it?
Yeah, I've been recording it.
And Nano.
Post this on YouTube.
That's crazy.
I can't see it no more.